Day 3 of becoming a hoarder. All right, here we go. All right, I was at Goodwill and I found this ping pong paddle. No price tag, believe it or not. No price tag on this either. I went up to the cashier. I was like, hey, no price tag. She was like, oh, good, good. So I was like, so $1 each? And she was like, yeah, $1 each. Sounds good. And I got these for $2 total. So this right here is it's a powder for ultrasonic cleaners, and I actually do have one. It's kind of old, but this is the exact same one, because for Christmas, one Christmas, my, Santa, he got me an ultrasonic cleaner, and so it came with this, and I'm already, I don't know how much left I have, but, I've been using it every now and then, so it was nice to find a new one. And then I checked Harbor Freight's website. They sell these for like $9, so got it for $1, and it's mostly full. So yeah, it's I don't know, it's good. Okay, so back to the ping pong paddle. So the reason why I got this, the brand is Nittaku or Nittaku. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, I'm a sucker for all things made in Japan. So I was like, cool, this looks like a world-class sort of ping pong paddle. I don't know. The rubber, I mean, it looks old. I feel like, I don't know what year this is. I didn't look it up. Maybe someone can chime in. I don't know. Well, I just looked at this, and the red side is actually, it has some grip to it. The black side, it's pretty slick. I'm gonna see if there's any like ways to revive the rubber, because it's not peeling along the edges. I mean, there's some of this, but even then, it's still attached to the foam, and it's still spongy. So of course, it's not the spongiest ping pong rubber there is, but I was like, cool. It's Nittaku, or Nittaku is I think it's a very reputable brand. I don't know too much about ping pong, but yeah. And now this is where we get into some real hoarder territory. I saw this at the Salvation Army, actually. So I'm expanding my horizons, and yeah. So this was $6. Also, it's made in Japan, and yeah, I just saw it, and it works. I'll have a demo later in this video, but yeah, it can record. I didn't actually test that, but it can rewind, fast forward, play, stop, and it's kind of like a thing I can use for my Walkman now, because I'm not sure if I have a recorder. I don't want to overwrite this cassette just yet, because I want to try digitizing it. There is some like Bible stuff on it. So oh yeah, there is some batteries in the back. So it does run on batteries. And I think I broke the ribbon because I pulled on it, and then I was like, oh, I think I just broke it. Yeah. And then there's these really old looking batteries. I'm just going to leave them in there because I don't know where else to put them. All right, I don't know what's, uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Okay, there we go. And, yeah, I'll just show you this working now while there's still light out. So, one moment, please. Ooh, I was not expecting it to be bright, but okay, that's pretty cool. I didn't realize I can like turn the flash on and off when the video is paused on the iPhone video recording app, camera app. But okay, so you can rewind. So it does that pretty well. I think the belts are still good. I'll just stop it there. I mean, you can also just do that to stop it. You can fast forward. And I'll just play a little excerpt of it.
spoken vow. The first lesson that we should keep sacredly inviolate the vows we have taken at the altar. However, this is but a narrow application of a great truth. We are to be faithful not only to the vows here assumed, but...
Okay, just going through this.
Splendid courage, she chose to be loyal to her people. Let the consequences be what they would. We may never be called...
Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna digitize this sometime and
faith may grow dim, but truth never changes. Seek ye.
Yeah, maybe there's some interesting life lessons in there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.